What's up everybody, Prepared Guy here once again, and today we're taking a look at the Sofirn HS10 headlamp. Upon unboxing you'll find the O-rings, a C-type charging cable, a pocket clip, a head strap, and of course the light itself with a 3.7 volt 800 milliamp 16340 lithium ion rechargeable, also IPX8 waterproof, and has a 1 meter impact rating and weighs just under 2 ounces or just over 50 grams. I'll leave the tech specs from the main runtime test. On the 1100 lumen turbo mode, the light ran for Celsius after about 2 minutes of use. During depleted. Now let's take a quick tour of it. Has a pocket clip. If you just attach it like so, it goes on. Headlamp, now head strap for the headlamp, sorry. It turns into a headlamp. So you push this in here like that, and you push this one over there like that, and you push it in, and you double click and you go into that turnip alloy. You have a button at the top. Also it has a magnetic bottom here, so if you're working on a project, you need to stick it so that way you can use this light hands-free. Holding this down brings you into, you hold it down again, it's going to jump into the 50 lumen. You hold it down again, that's 200 lumen. Hold it down again, you double click, and that's going to bring 5 minutes. Very, very simple. Press double click, goes right into the 1100 turbo mode. If you triple click, 1, 2, 3, it's going to bring you to the strobes. Now, double click, it's going to bring you into the SOS mode. Double click again, it's going to bring you into the beacon mode. In that beacon mode, I don't flash. I want it a little bit faster. That's okay. Now, if I want to put this in ramping mode while the light is on, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to flash twice. You're going to hold that button down, and then it's going to go all the way up. It's going to stop. It's going to go all the way back down. 1 lumen. We're going to hit 1 lumen. Ready? That's 1 lumen. Press it again, hold it down. It's going to ramp back up. That's going to bring you all the way up to 1100 lumens. Now, your C-type charging port on the side here. That's very important to make sure that this is sealed, especially if it's raining or if you're going to smudge. So guys, this is what the 1100 lumen headlamp mode looks like. 1100 lumens right here. We can see all the way up into the woods up here. Nice and bright. Pretty decent. I'm going to do a nice little spin around here. This is what the 1 lumen mode looks like. Actually, hold on. This is what the 1 lumen mode looks like. I'm going to do a spin. Barely see anything. Jump up 50 lumens. Doing a spin. 200 lumens. Spinning around again. 500 lumens. Spinning around again. And then you have 1100 lumens. Spin around one more time. That's what she looks like. This is what 1100 lumens looks like. I'll walk around on my porch here. 1100 lumens, nice and bright. Very, very bright. Doing the trick. I can see everything in front of me. Go for a little walk in the yard. Show you guys what I'm seeing. So you guys are seeing exactly what I'm seeing here.